Everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we will discuss about some modern algebra topics. So सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं नॉर्मल सब ग्रुप की डेफिनेशन. If H is a subgroup of G, then H is said to be normal subgroup of G if for all x belongs to G and for all small h belongs to H, x inverse belongs to H. So small h belongs to capital H, then x inverse is a subset of H for all x belongs to G. सिंपल ग्रुप की डेफिनेशन देखते हैं. अ ग्रुप हैविंग नो प्रॉपर नॉर्मल सब ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड अ सिंपल ग्रुप. नाउ देयर इज अ थ्योरम. इसका स्टेटमेंट है लेट पी एन बी द सिमेट्रिक ग्रुप ऑन n symbols. Prove that an is a normal subgroup of pn. हमें प्रूव करना है कि an नॉर्मल सबग्रुप है pn का, और pn जो है वो क्या है, सिमेट्रिक ग्रुप है. इसका सॉल्यूशन होगा लेट अल्फा बी एनी एलिमेंट ऑफ pn एंड बीटा बी एनी एलिमेंट ऑफ an. अल्फा एलिमेंट है pn का और बीटा एलिमेंट है an का. Then beta is an even permutation and alpha may be odd or even. We claim that alpha beta alpha inverse is an permutation. If alpha is odd, then alpha inverse is also odd. Now alpha beta is odd and consequently alpha beta alpha inverse is even. If alpha is even, then alpha inverse is also even. Now alpha beta is even and consequently alpha beta alpha inverse is even. Okay, देखो अगर alpha even है so alpha inverse is also even. Now alpha beta is even, so consequently alpha beta alpha inverse is even. Thus, alpha belongs to Pn and beta belongs to An. So, alpha, beta, alpha inverse belongs to An. Hence, An is normal subgroup of Pn. अब हम नेक्स्ट थ्योरम देखते हैं. So, G is a group and H is a subgroup of index 2 in G. Prove that H is normal subgroup of G. G एक ग्रुप है, H सबग्रुप है. Prove that H is a normal subgroup of G. Proof देखते हैं इसका. Let H be a subgroup of index 2 in a group G. Then the number of distinct right left coset of H in G is 2. लेट एक्स बी एनी एलिमेंट ऑफ जी. हमने लेट किया कि एक्स क्या है, कोई एलिमेंट है ग्रुप जी का. इफ़ एक्स बिलोंग्स टू एच देन वी हैव एक्स एच इज इक्वल टू एच एक्स. कोसेट की डेफिनेशन से इफ़ एक्स बिलोंग्स टू एच, एक्स डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू एच, then the right coset hx is distinct from h and left coset xh is distinct from h. ये राइट कोसेट हो गया एच एक्स और ये लेफ्ट कोसेट हो गया एक्स एच. ओके, बट h is of index 2. Therefore, the number of distinct right left coset in right left coset decomposition of G will be 2. Therefore, the cosets H, Hx and Xh are such that G is equal to H union Hx is equal to H union Xh. But there is no element common to H and Hx, and also there Also, there is no element common to H and XH. Therefore, we must have HX is equal to XH. Thus, we have HX is equal to XH for all X belongs to G. Hence, H is normal subgroup of G. और यही हमें प्रूव करना था. Now there is another theorem. Show that the symmetric group P3 of degree 3 solvable. Okay, the symmetric group P3 consists of the 6 permutation I, जिसको हम आइडेंटिटी परम्यूटेशन बोलते हैं, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 1, 3, 2 on 3 symbols 1, 2, 3. Let A3 is equal to I, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Then A3 is the alternative group of permutation of degree 3. If we take N0 is equal to P3, N1 is equal to A3 and N2 is equal to I. So now P3 is equal to N0 is a superset of N1 is a superset of N2 is equal to I is a solvable series for P3. We know that An is normal subgroup of Pn. Therefore, A3 is equal to N1 is normal subgroup of P3 is equal to N. Also, I is normal subgroup of N1. The quotient groups P3 by N1 and N1 by I are of orders 2 and 3 respectively. We know that all groups of order 2 and 3 are abelian. Therefore, the quotient groups P3 by N1 and N1 by I are abelian. Hence, P3 is equal to N0 is a superset of N1 is a superset of N2 is equal to I is solvable series for P3 and thus P3 is solvable. Similarly, P4 और डिग्री 4 के लिए हम क्या लिखते हैं? A4 is normal subgroup of permutation of degree 4. A4 is a normal subgroup of P4. So V4 is equal to I 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4 and 2, 3. N0 is equal to P4. N1 is equal to A4. N2 is equal to V4 and N3 is equal to I. His comma. Okay. So P4 is equal to N0 is a superset of N1 is a superset of N2 is a superset of N3 is equal to I. I is normal subgroup of N2. Quotient G P4 by N1, N1 by N2 and N2 by N3 are order 2, 3 and 4 respectively, and 2, 3 and 4 are abelian. Thank you for watching.